Hi there, I just wanted to welcome you to this course and show you what we'll be creating. This is the bear on top of the V that we'll be creating. As you can see, it is completely 3D. We can see the top view, we can see the bottom view, we can see the side, and we just gotta wait for it to render so it doesn't look all grainy, but once it's rendered it will look very sharp. So we can also see 3/4, and well, I hope you are excited to create this, and let's not waste any more time and let's get started. If you happen to have one keyboard like this or similar that doesn't have the keyboard, the number keypad on the right, you know, these long keyboards that have a square here with numbers, those are the numbers that are used for looking at our model in top, side, bottom, and front view. So if you don't have those numbers, you can use these ones here on the top, but for that you will have to go to File, User Preferences, Input, and then click here on Emulate Numpad, and then click on Save User Settings. If you click here on Emulate Numpad, you will be able to use these numbers, the 1, the 3, and the 7, for the views we are going to be working with a lot in this course.